Hey guys, Ken from Coffs Harbour here, just going to show you the actual route that we took on our Great Ocean Road ride. Okay, so we left Coffs Harbour, and as we do, we always go out west, Armidale, Tammworth, down through Werris Creek to Gulgong and camp just before Gulgong at a place called Ulan. Across there to Wellington and down through Cowra, Young, come across to Gundagai and camped in a forest in the middle of nowhere. It was quite good actually. Down through Albury, went across to Shepparton, over to Bendigo, and we camped. Actually, we didn't camp. We got a motel in Ballarat because it was raining, and then the next day we went down through Lismore and down to Warrnambool. Now that's only a short ride, but it was foggy and it was raining and it was a terrible day. We stayed there. We had a bit of a short day because we watched Bathurst, and then the next day we done the Great Ocean Road. Some of the most amazing scenery I've ever seen. Come up through just below Geelong and down to a place called Queenscliff. Got the ferry across to Sorrento, and then went up the peninsula there down to Warragul, to Sale, and then to Lakes Entrance, and we camped there for the night. That was beautiful there. Then continued up through Cairn River up the east coast to Eden. Nicest place that I've ever stayed, caravan park there by the water. It's just amazing. You'll see on the videos how nice that is. It's just absolutely beautiful. Up through Bega, stopped at the cheese factory there, and up to Bateman's Bay, and that's when we started to go inland. Then we went up through Goulburn, then we come up through Crookwell, and then we stopped at a place called Tuina. That was nice. Free camping there was quite nice. Bit of dirt road here to Bathurst, and then we went down to Lithgow, Katoomba, and seen the Three Sisters. Went into Richmond, and then went up to Currajong up there into the forest and camped. Then we had a bit of a dirt road ride onto the Putty Road, which was great. Then we come up through just before Singleton, went down through Maitland, and then started coming up the coast. We stopped at Taree, just here, and realised Mark's clutch was stuffed, so Mark rode his bike home from Taree to Coffs Harbour with no clutch. It's usually about a 2, 3, 4 hour trip, and we took us about nearly 6 because the road works, but also because we had no clutch. So that's it, 4,075 k's in 10 days. It was the best ride so far. It was just amazing. Hope you liked the video, guys. Just day one of our Great Australian ride. Just leaving Coffs Harbour now, riding into that, but should be alright. Mark's bike's all packed up. Looks like he's got more shit than me this time, which is good. Might slow him down a bit. First stop, Tammworth for a coffee, then down to Ulan for the night. Okay, I left Coffs Harbour this morning, up in Armidale now, at 200 k's, go up through Tammworth now, or out through Tammworth, and down to Ulan this afternoon. Just had a coffee and something to eat. It's quite cold, a little bit of rain, but bikes are going well. It's good. Righto, what are we, 4 hours in? Left Coffs this morning. Stopped at Armidale, now we just stopped at Tammworth to have a coffee, another one. And now we're off down to Werris Creek, then to Ulan, which is our destination for this evening. Bikes are going well. It was very cold and drizzling all the way up the Dorrigo mountain, but now the sun's out and there's not a cloud in the sky. We just had to derobe a little bit actually, so all good. Righto, so we just stopped to clean the visors and now we're off to Werris Creek. Oh, nice. At 10 k's out of Werris Creek. It's looking fairly green out here. Looking very nice. Three and a half thousand population of Corindi. Just going to stop here for lunch. We were going to stop at Werris Creek, but they weren't doing any counter meals on Thursday today. It's a bigger place than I thought. Town, a couple of big silos there. No, we have not been here. Corindi. Mark's trying to pronounce it. And this be the main street here, or the main block. What a beautiful little place. Kilometre out of Willow Tree. Merriwa. So we've done 460k so far thereabouts. Going to go into Merriwa. And then it's about another 70 or 80 k's to the campsite at Ulan, or near Ulan. Woo! Nice car. 10 k's out of Ulan, north of Ulan, is a place called the Drip camping area, or rest area. It's free camping. We've identified the spot that we want. Got a toilet, bins, little creek down there, and we're going to take this one up here. There's a table. Use that, campfire there, and we'll camp either up there or down beside the big ass rock. So yeah, excellent. Hey guys, end of day one. Mark's camped up there. Place just out of Ulan, near Gulgong. Woo! Cover the bikes up so they don't have dew on them in the morning.
Cover up the bike, nope. Keep the dew off it.
Got a fire, we'll light it if it's not too windy. My setup's over there. Just there, and the purchase these new seats, a bit like the Helinox chairs, only a third of the price, exactly a third of the price. Big W, made out of metal, not aluminium, so they're about a kilo heavier, but they're just as sturdy. So cook up some flash tea tonight. Just about to go for a walk and check out the place. Campsite's called the Drip Rest Area. Cool bananas. Great setup. Bikes went well today. Didn't have any troubles, except me falling over when I first took off. They're all good. Okay, started day 2, off to Ulan, then Gulgong, down to Wellington, Gundagai, then we will go to Albury. This was a really good campsite, 10 k's north of Ulan. It's called the Drip picnic area. Can light fires, got a toilet, beautiful little creek, superb little place, just a magic place. The Drip picnic area. Gotcha. Ulan's known for the open cut coal mines, fairly big out here. $10 town. This is Gulgong. Yeah. I cannot believe how skinny these streets are. Turn right, left there. Oh, yeah, gone past it, doesn't matter. Yeah, we had lunch here last time we were here. If you're ever in Gulgong, make sure you come to the museum. There's over an acre of old stuff and guns, and it's just amazing. It's a really good place to go through. So now we're off to Wellington, and might have morning tea there and then down to Gundagai. Main street in Malong, tidy little town. Very nice little place. Nice winery about, what is it, 75 k's out of Cowra. Quite a big one actually. 300 acres of grapes there or more. Look at all the sheds way down the bottom there. Wow. What a big winery. And some more canola. About 50 k's out of Cowra. A lot of cultivation happening out here. Looks like a bit of oats there and a bit of canola and all sorts of stuff. Coming into Cowra. Beautiful place out this way. So we've just had lunch in Cowra and now off to Cootamundra and then to Albury, 3:40 to Albury. Bit of canola. About, what are we, 30 k's out of Cowra on the... yep, 20 odd k's out of Cowra. Heading down towards Albury.